This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Margaret Schinabarger. Gorgeous ocean view condo. Renovated 2-halves condo in highly sought after Hutchinson House Condominiums. Private, unobstructed, northeast views of open skies, rolling waves and green, beachside foliage. Oversized living area separates 2 primary suites. Impact sliders and windows, wood-look tiles and new West/W carpeting. Only 8 units of this unique floor plan in the 121 condo complex. Kitchen fully renovated 2025. Shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, dual hidden trash, all new stainless steel appliances including induction range West/convection oven, cookware provided. New washer and ventless dryer. Updated bathrooms. Freshly painted unit, fully furnished, turnkey ready to rent.Private access to both ocean and river. Oceanfront Pavilion, 2 pools, 2 clubhouses, tennis/pickleball courts. Welcome to a viewing of this special beach home. Welcome to your coastal dream home. For more information, review the details below or contact Margaret Schinabarger at 954-693-0100.